Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, aka Mrs. Fontilia, aka the MacGyver hairstylist. And just to you who are new to me, I am a 17-year-old vet. Let me rephrase that. I'm currently 38, but I'm 17 years in being a hairstylist, and I just wanted to give you that brief introduction so that way you can get a little comfortable with me as I talk about what I was doing. So, to catch y'all up to speed, this is 2020 and I am, watch out, Chocolate. That's my dog, y'all, by the way. I am doing a wig install. And at this time, I wasn't doing a lot of wig installs. Oh, and FYI, I'm going to be putting my clothes away because I'm washing clothes. It's my day off, y'all. I am trying to do this, and I am not trying. I'm doing it, okay? Doing my content and editing as I should be, okay? So for this style, my client asked me to color the hair. She wanted some highlights, and she wanted it to be an ombre. So that's what I did, as you see. Now, this is 2020. I have definitely gotten so much better with my color. Every day, every year, I perfect my craft. But I'm not going to say that it was bad. It just could have been a little bit better. I'm not here to talk bad about myself. But anyhow, as I'm watching, y'all watching. So, she wanted to have, like I said, an ombre for this wig. It's a 360 wig. I cannot remember where she got this wig from, but I love the texture. It was a kinky straight texture, and I believe it was about 22 inches. Now, what she wanted was to have the 360 with bangs. That way she was able to wear it up, wear it down, and do what she needed. As y'all see, moving into what I'm doing, I did her braided pattern. You see it's pretty much going back. You want those braids to be as flat as possible. They don't need to be tight. You ain't no reason to grip the person's thoughts now, okay? But anyhow, braided back like a Cadillac. Then we put the cap on, and then I laid it down with some of whatchamacallit, Bold Hold. And this is a gel, y'all. Like, I wouldn't use it as a gel, like a styling gel, but this, because it's meant for using it on wigs, things with lace and things like that fabric. But it is a gel, which means that you can use some warm water to help get this off, okay? It's gentle enough to put into the hairline and strong enough to hold the fabric down, okay? So I let that, it was already pretty much, I had cooled it down so it could dry down, but as you saw, I was trying to make sure I got every little nook and cranny sealed away. Right there beforehand, I was taking off those clips because she doesn't want no combs, because again, we're installing this as a 360 wig, right? So it's important that you remove that, because that way when you do want to put it up, you won't see any of that, okay? All right, so I cut her ear tabs because we need to make sure it sits flatter around her ear. I have so many more new techniques that I do with my wigs now that I don't do, well, that I didn't do back then. And also, better sewing techniques, better wig install. Everything is just upgraded. Well, it should be. It's 2025, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's 2025, y'all. That is so weird to say. Okay, moving on. Because it's a 360 wig, I'm gonna keep saying it. We're gonna secure it. Not only am I gonna secure it around her perimeter, I'm gonna go in between, like pretty much at the top of her head, because I want to make sure that she has this, she's able to wear this for a little bit of time. We're thinking about, maximum 4 weeks, something like that. Okay. So sew it up, down and around town. Make sure that you're securing it. I use nylon thread. Stop using that cotton thread. Okay, amen. All right, so now for this, I do like using that tinted spray, but y'all, think about it. And I like things that make sense. Doesn't it make more sense to not use any kind of product per se, like on the lace before you use the adhesive, because it still has oil in it? I think so. So I don't use that anymore beforehand, but it's not bad if you're doing it still, because what works for you works for you. I'm just saying something that works for me. Okay, amen. So like I said, we're gonna go in with the I went in with the spray, and I like that spray. One, it smells really good. That's not like the reason why I got it, but it smells real good. And then two, because it does give a nice layer. It's not super thick like foundation. So if you were to use, something that's gonna help cover that lace, that would be a great solution, because it's not going to be heavy, and you don't have to worry about a brush. If you didn't have a brush, if to put that product in, which you should, just get yourself a little brush. But if you intend to do your own wigs, it just makes life easier. But moving on, you see this texture, y'all. You see what I'm talking about? Oh man, like the color is cool, but it gets even better later on. Like don't get me wrong, as the finish comes to finish, it's good, okay? So, like I said, I like this texture a lot. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Look at that, looking like what? Scalp. It still looks like a scalp. I'm not here not doing what I need to do. What needs to be done is being done. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so here's another thing, y'all. I didn't have my hot comb. Where my hot comb at? I don't know what I was doing. I did, but like in my head I did, because look, I'm gonna get it flat. One thing about it, two things for sure. I'm gonna make sure that your hair is laid down, okay? I didn't have my hot comb. I think I forgot it, or maybe I just didn't have it. I don't know what was going on. I don't know what was going on. But I made it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Because see, even without that hot comb, which I know that I can make it like super duper flat. But even without that, I made it flat, okay? Can you? All right, so I made it flat using my T3. If you know, you know. That's why it's doing what it do. Plus my products that I have and I'm using, that helps too. But so I flattened that out because, like, again, she wanted to have some bangs. Now, upon like how I would do it now, because as I'm looking, like I said, y'all, I'm just like, I'm giving myself a review. As like how I would do it now is definitely not this. I wouldn't have used as much hair. I definitely would have started from the inside of the arch of the brow. Like that would be my guide. And then I would take less hair. Well, not as much hair, I think. Or maybe I would. I don't know. I think I want to make it a little bit less bulky, but you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Like, it still comes out cute, y'all. While I'm talking shit about, like, not even shit, when I'm perfecting what I see as an imperfection, y'all don't worry about that. I'm seeing I'm seeing things and saying what I would do currently, because again, this is 2020. We 5 years in this, okay? So you see us getting together, and then eventually I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut it up, okay? Cause it's looking a little too long. And I know y'all must be wondering, like, what's she doing with the rest of her hair? Because what is happening, y'all? Just, you know how they say, what they say again? What's the saying thing? You know, damn, y'all, help me out. What's it called? Just watch it work. No, that's not it. Watch me work. Let it play out. You know what I'm talking about. See, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all playing with me. Well, anyways, you gotta see watch the process. You know, the process here. Y'all got it. Y'all get it. Okay? Watch it. Cause it's about to be like, oh snap. Okay, I'll see you, girl. Also, I did not band her for a long, like, she was banded, like, you know what I mean, to help hold that wig down. But I definitely do it for a longer time now. I do have a wig client coming up soon, y'all, so I have some even newer content coming out. But I really wanted to put out some, my work that I've had that I just haven't put on YouTube. I have it on my Instagram, chopped and screwed, so that way it's not so long on Instagram, but I never put it on my YouTube. And it's mainly because, like I said, using the excuse of me not like having the time because I gotta do laundry or I have to cook or I'm, having to, I don't know what, like I have to, and I am committing myself to not making any excuse. If y'all want to hear me without doing some chores, help me get to that point so you can hear it clear and free. Shoot, that's what I'm saying. Otherwise, I'm going to get it out how I can get it out, okay? And I appreciate you guys being with me and listening to me, for the meantime, between time, because this is, like I said, the way we're going to get it out this year and moving forward. Okay, y'all. So, as you see, the hair, like I said, it's a kinky straight. And I was using Olaplex at the time. Ooh, sorry, y'all. I was using Olaplex at the time. And I do love Olaplex, but if you know, you know now. All my girlies say it with me, and my men say it with me. K18. That is the way that we're moving 2025 and forward. Actually, I've been using it since 2024, but ever since then, we're using K18. And I'll talk more about that on a different video. But I used Olaplex, the number 4 shampoo and conditioner. It still is a very good shampoo and conditioner. If you can't get K18, definitely get Olaplex. It's going to do wonders. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to not yawn. My goodness. I've been working out, y'all. I'm really proud of myself. Like, for those who don't know, I used to be an athlete. And for me, I was always working out, even after I was, playing sports. But being in a relationship, and I guess when it's healthy or whatever, you start to look unhealthy. I don't know what that is, but the devil can have it because I did not ask for that, okay? Give me my unhealthy body or my healthy body back. Yeah, so y'all, I've been, working out and I've been getting up earlier. So my body is getting adjusted. So forgive me, please. Anywho, this is the finished product. Oh my gosh, y'all. Tell me that don't look like her hair. Now, y'all tell me what you think in the comments below, but subscribe, like, and let's be friends. Mwah.